Beautiful day, Bravehearts. I'm Dr. Sage Wolfe, and I am just out in Coffs Harbour, Australia. It is day one of the Wolfe non-surgical course. I have about 26 students in the class, a bunch of beautiful Bravehearts wanting to learn how to take their power back, change their mentality of how they want to move forward in their life, release those adhesions and those obstructions causing you to feel limited. And so, what is Wolfe Non-Surgical? I teach you how to go in, and we go from head to toe, literally head to toe. We do non-surgical facelifts, breast restoration, abdominal clearances, hip restoration, knee restoration. It doesn't matter. It is scar tissue issue. A scar tissue issue is when our body has become so acidic that we have started to bind, adhese, get grizzle. And it's like, have you ever burnt a piece of meat? Have you ever left a piece of meat out on the counter that you just weren't going to finish and it started to kind of get dehydrated? That is what's happening internally. And then, of course, physical injuries from sports, car accidents, it doesn't matter. It's a scar tissue issue. So we have crystallization, calcification, and scar tissue binding around our tendons, ligaments, and joints, causing us to feel debilitated, causing us to feel limited. I'm not able to lift my shoulder as much. It's not just because my shoulder doesn't want to lift as much. It is because there's an obstruction in there. And we're going to go in lovingly, and we're going to peel that tissue apart and really restore those joints. And I'm going to teach you how to nutritionally heal that gut, because maybe you're getting malabsorption. Maybe your bowels aren't moving properly. And this stagnation is causing you to be backed up, causing you to have that lack of flow, that lack of vitality that you deserve. And so we're just out in Coffs Harbour. After I'm done here, I am going to be heading to Melbourne to do personal treatments, and I'll be there for about 3 weeks. So if you're in the Melbourne area and you're wanting to get personal treatments done by me, give me a shout, contact our office, and we will book you in. I'll be there until just about the end of September. And then Florida, Bonita Springs, Florida is going to be the last New World Practitioner training that we are doing for this year. And then next year we'll be following into a bunch of different places. So go check out BraveHeartNation.com to kind of see where we're going to be going for next year if that's something that you're interested in. But Bonita Springs, Florida is going to be the last one in October. It's going to be really great. And then all of November, I will be able to come out and do either personal treatments and trainings or personal course trainings, and teach you, your family, your friends, if you have a caretaker, how to actually unleash the limited parts of your body that have been restricting you and stopping you from getting to your full potential. You deserve it, everybody. You deserve to take that power back. I just hope everybody is having a glorious day. It is stunning here. It's really not that hot. It's pretty mild, but it is beautiful. And so get out, enjoy some sunshine, get your feet in the grass, make sure you're drinking a glass of water, eat well, think well, and have a beautiful day, and you'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.